it's time to unbox my Hermes purchases. So my husband and I stopped by Hermes earlier today and we got a few items for ourselves, and I just wanted to unbox them and show you what we got. We got a few items for ourselves that we really love, and yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys quickly what I bought. So I think I'm gonna start with my husband's item. Actually, let me start with mine first. So the first item that I got here, we have the a box of shoes that I got. I just love them so much. They're neutral shoes, and it's kind of a color that, you know, I don't have in my collection. Also, this is my first, so the shoe I got is the Oasis. This is my first Oasis. I have a lot of orans in different colors, but this is my first Oasis, and it's in the color taupe, which is like a, you know, greenish taupe color. It's just so perfect for the summer, and I think it looks so amazing on my skin tone. Yeah, so this is the second of a pair. It's so beautiful, guys, so elegant, and I just like something more with a heel that I can, you know, wear with a nicer outfit, because I feel like the orans are a bit more casual than this. This is still casual, but you know, just a little dressy. So this the Oasis shoes that I got. So the next item is my absolute favorite. It's just beautiful. So it comes in this little box, and you know, I had my birthday earlier. I would just say my 35th birthday a couple months ago, and I've been looking for a necklace that I could wear every day that is not too loud. I was first considering the I wanted to maybe consider the Van Cleef, also Cartier necklace, but when I went to Hermes, I saw this one and I was like, I just love it so much. So it's called the Finesse necklace, and this is what it looks like. It's just so beautiful, and I just love it. I'll do like a more detailed unboxing or review of it later. And the third item we got is my husband's item. It's his men's belt with a buckle. He loves it a lot, and I like it too. And one thing I noticed about the Hermes belts is that they come with they're two-toned, so you can wear it for both sides. Look at me unboxing his gift. So he got a chocolate and then black, and I just think it's so beautiful. So the belt does not come with a buckle. So this is the buckle he got with the belt. You know, I feel like Hermes belt buckles for men are a little bit, you know, loud, especially the classic H, but he got this one that's a little bit more subtle in gold, and I just love it. So yeah, that's all for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. And you know, actually, after we made all these purchases, the SA asked me for a wish list for a bag, so I did give her my wish list, and now we wait. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Bye.